مباشر تحذيرات دولية من كارثة إنسانية إذا شن الجيش الإسرائيلي هجوما على رفح جنوب غزة. مرحبا يا شباب ومرحبا صبايا. اليوم رح ندرس عنوان جديد من البي بي سي العربية. So get ready and let's get started. So first I'm gonna say the headline 3 times, and in the second time you can repeat after me. And then after that I will also leave an exercise for you at the end. So make sure you stay to the end of the video to get the full benefit. خلينا نبلش. مباشر تحذيرات دولية من كارثة إنسانية إذا شن الجيش الإسرائيلي هجوما على رفح جنوب غزة. Again. مباشر تحذيرات دولية من كارثة إنسانية إذا شن الجيش الإسرائيلي هجوما على رفح جنوب غزة. Now let's talk about the important words here. تحذيرات warnings from تحذير singular. كارثة catastrophe. كارثة or like disaster. شن to launch. Usually it comes with an attack. So شن هجوما. If you look at the last line, the first word هجوما, an attack. شن هجوما. Now I'm gonna say it again and give you a space to repeat with me or after me, whatever suits you. مباشر تحذيرات دولية من كارثة إنسانية إذا شن الجيش الإسرائيلي هجوما على رفح جنوب غزة. ممتاز. Now let's look at the English. Life, so international warnings of a humanitarian catastrophe if the Israeli army launches an attack on Rafah, south of Gaza. And here you have the phonetics. So the same what we have done, so you can read it by yourself. And we'll move to the grammar note. The use of إذا. In Arabic, إذا or إذا is a conjunction that is commonly translated as if in English. It is used to introduce conditional clauses indicating a condition or circumstances upon which another action or event depends. Of course, we're going to explore this the use of إذا later, but for now, for you, all you need to know is this: micro-focus learning. That is one of the techniques I use in Khaled Nasra method. Now it's time you practice with me. So I'm gonna give you 7 seconds. You're gonna read this text, and after that I will read it and you can compare. Go ahead. ممتاز. So now it's my turn, and try to compare your pronunciation to mine. مباشر تحذيرات دولية من كارثة إنسانية إذا شن الجيش الإسرائيلي هجوما على رفح جنوب غزة. ممتاز شباب. That's all for today. And if you want the the transcripts and you want more exercises, join my Patreon page and be part of this project. وسائل الإعلام. ومن تحية.